Hello and welcome to the Eyelation online marketplace, where you can use your preloaded safety benefit allowance to purchase safety eyewear for less. Here's what we will cover in this video: logging in and activating your account, how to upload your photo and a valid prescription to your account, accessing your benefits portal and understanding your company benefit allowance, placing an order on the Eyelation online marketplace, and return and warranty policies for safety eyewear. Let's talk about logging into and activating your Eyelation employee account. To access the online marketplace, go to weborder.eyelation.com or go to eyelation.com and click Portal Login. To log into your employee account, you will need to enter login credentials. Your company has set up a standardized login format for all employees, which has been shared with you. Can't find your login credentials? Please contact your EHS safety manager, and they can provide this information for you. If you are having problems logging into your account, please contact us at questions@eyelation.com. Once you log in, you will be asked to review and accept our privacy policy before continuing. Next, we require that you enter some additional information. To move forward with ordering, you will need to enter either an email address or a phone number and your birth date. If you enter in your email address, notifications will be sent to your inbox. If you would like to opt in for text message notifications, you can enter your mobile phone number and check the box located at the bottom of the screen. You will receive a notification with your order confirmation number once you have placed an order, and you will receive a notification once your order has shipped with tracking information. You will also receive a notification when your benefit is about to renew and when your prescription is about to expire. Once you have entered all of your information, it will also ask you to provide a home address. Depending on your company's shipping preference, all products purchased through our online marketplace will either be shipped to the home address on file or to your company's address. You can review where the product is being shipped under the address section at the checkout screen. After you've entered your home address, you will then be directed to your employee dashboard. In the dashboard, you can view available products, whether your benefit is available or unavailable, and your benefit eligibility date. Let's talk about how to upload required information before you can place your safety eyewear order. Before you start selecting a frame, Eyelation requires 2 items to be uploaded to process your order: a valid prescription and a profile picture. Let's start by uploading our prescription. Scroll down to the bottom of the dashboard to Required Items and select Prescription. A screen will appear asking if you would like to add the prescription now or send it later. We recommend that you upload the prescription now. If Eyelation does not receive a prescription within 10 days of placing the order is automatically canceled. You will receive 2 email notifications reminding you to upload your prescription before the cancellation. If you select Send It Later and need to send us your prescription, you can email us at questions@eyelation.com or have your eye care provider fax it to us at 708-572-6487. We will then upload it to your account and process your order. If you select Add It Now, it will prompt you to upload your prescription. If you are accessing our online marketplace through an internet browser on your tablet or your smartphone, you can use your camera to take a photo of the prescription. If you are on a computer, you will need to browse and upload the prescription, or you can drag and drop the file from your desktop. When you are taking a picture of the prescription, please make sure that you are capturing all of the information in the photo. We must be able to clearly see the prescription, patient information, doctor's information, exam and expiration dates in order to process your order. Now that we've uploaded our prescription, the next step is to upload a photo of ourselves. We require a profile picture for 2 reasons. We will acquire your pupillary distance measurement using our PD calculator, and it will also be used to access our VirtueFit technology feature where you can preview safety eyewear on your face. Under Required Items on the dashboard, select Profile Picture. This will take you to your profile. Click on the pencil image and a screen will appear asking you to enter your PD or your pupillary distance. Sometimes your eye care provider will provide the PD measurement on your prescription. It could appear as PD, distance PD, or near PD, and the measurement could be 1 number like this or 2 numbers like this. If your eye care provider recorded your PD, you can select I have 1 PD or I have 2 PDs and enter the measurement. If your eye care provider did not provide you with your PD measurement, select Let Eyelation calculate my PD. Another window will appear to guide you on how to take your profile picture. Try to take the picture in a well-lit area. Please make sure that you are taking the photo straight on and close up so we can see your pupils for the PD measurement. You will also need to remove your glasses and anything else that may be obscuring your face, like a hat or a mask. If you are accessing our online marketplace through an internet browser on your tablet or your smartphone, you can use your camera to take a photo of yourself. If you are on a computer, you will need to browse and upload the photo, or you can drag and drop the image from your desktop. Now let's talk about how to view your preloaded safety benefit allowance through the online marketplace. Select the Benefits section in the sidebar to the left of the screen. This will take you to your benefits portal. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Benefits Breakdown section. This section describes the maximum benefit allowance for your safety eyewear benefit. Please keep in mind that as you are making your selections, the Eyelation online marketplace will apply your preloaded safety benefit allowance towards expenses including frames, lens material, etc. under the benefit cover section. The total area above will only reflect your out-of-pocket expense after preloaded safety benefits have been applied. Now that we have uploaded our required items, here's how to browse virtually, try on, and purchase custom safety eyewear on the Eyelation online marketplace. Select the Safety Eyewear module on the dashboard. This will show you all the frames that are available to choose from in your collection. Please keep in mind that if you do not see safety side shields in the frame photo, that all of our frames are ANSI Z87 rated and will come with side shields per your company's policy. To see what is available for your specific needs, you can filter by brand, frame material, and more to the left of your screen. Once you have selected a frame, it will take you to that frame's page. This page will show you information such as brand, frame price, and different color options. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can see additional information about the frame, including specifications and additional measurements. To use our VirtueFit technology, select the Try On Glasses button, and this will show you the frame on your profile picture. You can also filter through the different color options on your photo while using the virtual try-on. Once you have chosen the frame you would like to order, select Add Lenses, and you will be directed to the lens selection screen. Click Prescription, and it will prompt you to choose a lens type that is compatible with your prescription. If you need correction for distance only, you will select a single vision lens. If you need correction for distance and reading up close, you will select a bifocal or a progressive lens. If you select a bifocal lens, it will ask you whether you would like a traditional bifocal or a progressive lens. If you select one of these options, a visual aid and a description will appear explaining the difference between the two. Once you have selected your lens type, click Next, and it will take you to the lens features screen. Our lens features are additional coating options that we offer so you can customize your order to fit your specific needs in your work environment. Once you have browsed through these options and selected the lens features you would like to add, click Next and select Add to Cart. You will then be asked if you would like to add any additional eyewear accessories. These are optional. If you would like to skip this section, click Next and you will be directed to the checkout screen. From the checkout screen, you can see the choices that you made in your cart. If you would like to make any changes, you can click the Edit button, or you can remove the item from your cart. To the right of the cart, you can see the total amount and how much of that total the benefit covered. If you have any outstanding balance that was not covered under the benefit, this will appear under your balance. Select Proceed to Checkout. If there is an outstanding balance associated with your order, you will be asked to enter credit card information to pay the remaining balance before confirming the order. We accept all major credit and debit cards. Once you have confirmed the order, you will see your order confirmation number under the Order ID section. You will also receive this order ID number via email or text, depending on which one you selected in your contact information. If you need to update your contact information, home address, etc., you can access your profile in the sidebar and make any changes if needed. The turnaround time to receive your safety eyewear will be 2 to 3 weeks after your order date. If you have any questions or would like a status update on your order, please contact questions@eyelation.com, or you can call us at 888-308-4703. Now let's talk about Eyelation's Return Safety Eyewear policy. At Eyelation, we are committed to your happiness. That's why we offer a 30-day happiness guarantee on safety eyewear. If you are not happy with your product, you can send it back within 30 days of delivery for a full refund, exchange, or product adjustment. To return your safety eyewear, you can email us at questions@eyelation.com or call us at 888-308-4703. We will process your return request and email you a prepaid shipping label for you to use. Then you will pack your eyewear, apply your prepaid label, and ship the order. Once we receive the shipment, we will process your return and credit the account if applicable. Our frame and lens warranty also lasts up to 365 days. Our lens warranty is only applicable to customers who have selected a lens feature with ultra hard coating. To know more, please visit the Eyelation website, eyelation.com/policy. We hope this video has been helpful in getting you started with your Eyelation account. Still have questions with your account or need help placing an order? Please feel free to contact us at questions@eyelation.com or call 888-308-4703, and our customer service team will be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Eyelation.